Hi guys, and welcome back to my kitchen. It's Rog here. Well, today I'm going to be cooking up a really tasty dish. Prawn croquettes. So flavoursome, so crispy, so tasty. I'm sure you're going to really enjoy this video, so stay with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell. And I'll show you how to make this delicious meal right after this. Okay guys, so let's make a start. Now I've got some king prawns here. So delicious, so tender, so succulent. And we've got to have some prawns because we're making prawn croquettes. Chop them up nice and small. Then into a pan we go with a large knob of butter. And I'm going to use 1 tablespoonful of all-purpose flour. We're going to mix this together because what we're going to be doing, we're going to be making a roux. Basically a thick and cheesy sauce. So we're going to go in with some milk, give this a stir. It's bubbling away really nicely, as you can see. Then I'm going to go in with some grated cheddar cheese. Now this is a very strong cheddar cheese. The stronger it is, the better. You get a lot more flavour that way. And drop more milk just to keep it a bit liquid. We're going to need some mashed potato, so I'm boiling some up. We're going to pop that in. It's gone through a ricer, just to make it nice and fine. This is going to help thicken up our sauce, a really delicious sauce, and get it ready for our prawns. So in we go with the chopped prawns. We're going to mix all of this together, get all those delicious flavours incorporated. Now it's looking so good guys, and if only you could smell it. In with some seasoning, some lovely freshly cracked black pepper, and of course we're going to need some sea salt. So we'll grind some of that in, remove the pan from the heat, and we're going to put this mixture into a large bowl. Now the idea of this is I want it to cool down, because as it cools down it's going to thicken up. So I'm going to pop that in the fridge just for about an hour. And while that's thickening up, I'm going to get 1 egg, 1 whole egg, whisk it up in a bowl. We're going to need some cornmeal, because now we're going to make our croquettes. We take 1 tablespoonful of the mixture, which has thickened up quite nicely. Now this is where it gets a little bit messy guys, to be honest. We're going to pop it into our egg. This is making an egg wash, so we get some of the egg all around the croquette. Then it can go into the cornmeal, or you could use breadcrumbs. Makes it a little bit easier to work with. But this cornmeal, once we get to cooking the croquettes in some hot oil, it's going to give a nice crispy finish, and they're just going to taste so good. Put that one to one side and finish the rest. So on the hob, large pan, hot oil, in with the croquettes. I'm going to do these in batches, 5 at a time. Don't do any more than that. They will stay hot when they've been taken out and drained on kitchen paper. And here they are finished. Lovely and golden brown and crispy. Served up with some fries, some garden peas, and of course some tartare sauce. Doesn't that look delicious? Please try this recipe for yourself. It is so easy, and you won't be disappointed. Don't forget, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.